Manny Machado may plan to play for the Los Angeles Dodgers in 2019, but his Instagram post this week suggests otherwise. Days after his season ended with the Boston Red Sox celebrating a World Series win over his Dodgers, the coveted free agent shortstop shared a lengthy tribute to LA and its fans on Wednesday. And while Machado's post never explicitly says he is done wearing Dodger blue, it reads like a thankful farewell as the slugger prepares to hit the open market. "I'd like to thank the Los Angeles Dodgers organization for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to play for a World Series title. Wearing that iconic Dodger blue every day was truly an honor. To Doc, the coaching staff and the boys, it was a privilege going into battle with all of you. Something I'll never forget. Thank you to the Dodgers staff and front office for welcoming me and my wife with open arms from day one. To the Dodger faithful and Pantone 294, you guys are amazing. 50,000 strong, bleeding Dodger blue night in and night out. Thank you for making my experience as a Dodger one I will cherish forever. I know we didn't achieve our goal of bringing a championship back to Chavez Ravine, but there is no doubt in my mind that with this group of guys a World Series title is on the horizon." On one hand, it's hard to fault Machado for paying respect to the Dodgers. What else is a pending free agent supposed to say, after all? Everyone would be ripping the former Baltimore Orioles star if he outright said he was ditching the Dodgers, and if he truly hasn't negotiated a new deal with Los Angeles to this point, there's no point in pretending he'll definitely be back, either. That said, with free agency on the horizon and suitors expected to line up out the door for Machado, despite his 4-for-22 and occasionally controversial World Series, it's also difficult not to see a hint of farewell in his address to Los Angeles. Machado, who hit .273 with 13 home runs and 42 RBIs after the Dodgers landed him from Baltimore during the All-Star break, is eligible to sign with a new team starting November 3.